Good afternoon, everyone. It is Zachary from One Man Creations. I'm going to be showing you how to make custom skins for the Outlaw Figure car mod that I am working on, and which it is released. So, you'll be able to get these custom cars thanks to 5-1 Designs, also known as Traps. Showing y'all how to get these guys in game. So first, what y'all want to do is make sure you have the newest version of the mod downloaded, in which it will be in the BeamNG Drive Figure 8 server. Make sure you react to the ProBot message. Okay. Right here. 9/11/2022. You're going to come down here to the download link. You're going to download this version right here. This is the newest version. This is just the skins that don't work anymore. Well, they may, but I don't have them. And then this is the street stock I'm working on, but this is the newest version. Anywho, you're going to come in here. After you put the download into your mods folder, you're going to come into the game, go to your mods, find the Outlaw Figure 8 mod, and you're going to click on it and you're going to press unpack. Right here. And once that gets done loading, you're going to press open up and explore. And then this tab will probably show up. You're going to click on it, go to Outlaw Figure 8 Figure 8 mod, Vehicles, Outlaw F8, you're going to go to Skins. And then you already see I have a good amount of skins in here. You're going to copy and you're going to paste the test skins. Copy and paste the test skin. Now what y'all need to do here is go to whatever paint you want to put in. So for me, I'm just going to do a YouTube test skin. Oh. I forgot that I'm recording and not live. So you're going to come right back into here. You're going to only rename the test skin stuff. So everything that has test skin in it, you're just going to change the test skin part of it. Don't touch anything else with it. So you're just going to go through, rename all the test skin. Yes, I'm sure that there's an easier way to do this, but I'm too lazy to figure that out. And plus, it's already 8:06, so. I'm really concerned about what this. So I am trying to do 3 things at once alongside manage these guys. I'm just going to set this guy up. Okay. You're going to come into the test skin materials.json. You're going to put test skin. And you're going to put whatever name of your skin is. So whatever you name these files right here, that's what you're going to put right here in the bottom slot. You're going to click replace all. You're going to click the file, you're going to click save, and you're going to press the X. And you're going to go to properties on the J-beam, And you're going to do the same thing as you did with all the other files. Now for here, you're going to come edit, replace all. And then for the name part, this is how the skin's going to show up in game. You're going to change HMS Designs to your name, so that's how that's going to look. This right here don't show, but this right here will. So you're going to open up this file, not the one with the O, but this guy right here. Should be this second file. So I'm using paint.net. You can use anything you want to really use, as long as you know the basic stuff to how to use it. Skin making on this car is pretty easy. So I'm just going to show you how to do a little white skin and then put the YouTube logo on it. So this is where Google comes into play. Google is your best friend when making schemes. So you're going to use YouTube logo. Don't matter what time, what thing that you use, but it's recommended that you just use a PNG file so that it's already transparent and all that stuff, so you don't have to go through the extra steps to make it transparent yourself. So you're just going to put whatever logos you want on what area on the car. So this isn't supposed to be good looking paint for y'all haters out there. Oops. Copy it, paste it. You're gonna paste it onto the other side. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Okay, this is the tricky part. So you're going to click File, Save As. You're going to come down here and Save as DDS. And you're going to click on this file right here. You can click Save. You're going to press Yes. And you're going to press Enter. Or OK, whatever. I'm going to let that save. Sorry, I have an itch. Okay. So while that's, we're going to come back in. Why are you stuck in first gear? So, since I'm already in the game, all I have to do is press Control R. Yeah. And then press Escape. And it should pop up right there. There it is. That is how you make a skin for the Outlaw Figure car mod. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully this video helped y'all out a little bit at least on how to make skins for this car, and I hope y'all will enjoy the mod as much as I did making it for y'all. I just want to say thank you for JS Design, Thank you to 5-1 Designs, thank you to One Man Designs, also known as me, and thank you Steel Gecko for giving me access and permission to finish up this mod. And with that all being said, see you in the next one. Hell yeah, brother.